Tagliafico beaten to that by Mbappe. Watch him go. Mascherano won't get near him. And Mbappe down! It's a penalty for France! Grabbed at in desperate fashion. Soil 2 years ago. Here comes Griezmann. France have the lead. Hernandez in. Mbappe! Mbappe! Watch the world, there's a new number 10. Giroud gets it through. He's done it again. The boy wonder has 2 for France. France have put 4 in the Argentina net and look well set for the quarterfinals.